In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Now, the nucleolus is the site where the ribosomal RNA, that is rRNA, is synthesized and combined with the ribosomal proteins to form the ribosomal subunits. Thus, A matches with 3. In animal cells, the centrosome contains two centrioles arranged perpendicular to each other, and each centriole has a cartwheel-like structure composed of microtubules arranged in a 9 plus 0 triplet configuration. Thus, B matches with 2. Now, leucoplasts are the colorless plastids of varied shapes and sizes with stored nutrients. The C matches with 4. And the Golgi apparatus modifies proteins and lipids received from the endoplasmic reticulum, adding carbohydrate groups to form glycoproteins and glycolipids. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option C.